I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. What's up, hustlers? Welcome to our video. We're diving deep into the reselling game, a land of opportunity where you can be your own boss and rake in some serious cash. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. This is about building something real, something you own. Get ready to hustle, learn, and level up your life. Check out the link in the description box below. Let's kick things off with online thrifting, a booming business that's all about turning pre-loved treasures into profit. First things first, hit up local thrift stores, estate sales, and even online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace. Look for quality clothing, vintage finds, unique accessories, anything that catches your eye and screams resale value. Once you've got your inventory, it's time to stage and photograph your finds like a pro. Good lighting is key, and don't be afraid to get creative with backgrounds and styling. Now for the online shop. Platforms like Poshmark, Depop, and even Instagram make it easier than ever to set up shop and start selling. Write killer descriptions that highlight the unique features of each item, price them competitively, and watch the sales roll in. Remember, customer service is king. Respond to inquiries promptly, package your items with care, and go the extra mile to build a loyal following. Trust me, the hustle is real, but the rewards are even bigger. Next up, we're diving into the world of electronics flipping, a high-demand market with massive profit potential. This is a space where savvy individuals can turn a modest investment into substantial returns by leveraging their knowledge and skills. Think about it. Everyone's constantly upgrading their phones, laptops, and gadgets. The tech industry is always evolving, with new models and features being released every year. This constant cycle of upgrades means that there's a steady stream of used electronics entering the market, which means there's a goldmine of used electronics ripe for the taking. These devices often have plenty of life left in them and can be refurbished and resold for a profit. Start by scouring online marketplaces, pawn shops, and even local classifieds for devices that are in decent condition. Websites like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace are great places to start. You can also check out local pawn shops and thrift stores for hidden gems. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Negotiation is a crucial skill in this business. The lower you can buy the device for, the higher your profit margin will be when you resell it. Once you've got your hands on some tech treasures, it's time to work your magic. This is where your technical skills come into play. Assess the condition of each device and determine what repairs or upgrades are needed. Clean them up, replace any worn-out parts, and maybe even give them a software upgrade. A thorough cleaning can make a huge difference in the device's appearance and appeal. Replacing worn-out parts like batteries or screens can significantly increase the device's value. Now, for the fun part, reselling. This is where you get to showcase your refurbished devices to potential buyers. List your refurbished devices on platforms like eBay, Swappa, or even Facebook Marketplace. These platforms have a large audience of buyers looking for good deals on electronics. Highlight their features, emphasize their like-new condition, and price them competitively to attract buyers. Remember, transparency is key. Be honest about the condition of the device and any repairs you've made. This will help build trust with potential buyers. Be upfront about any repairs you've made and offer a short warranty to build trust and close the deal. A warranty can give buyers peace of mind and make them more likely to purchase from you. With a little hustle and tech savviness, you'll be flipping your way to financial freedom in no time. The key is to stay informed about market trends, continuously improve your technical skills, and always be on the lookout for great deals. Happy flipping! Dropshipping, your ticket to location freedom. Now let's talk about dropshipping, the ultimate business model for aspiring entrepreneurs who crave flexibility and location independence. Imagine being able to run a business from anywhere in the world, whether it's a cozy cafe in Paris or a beachside bungalow in Bali. With dropshipping, you don't need to hold any inventory. This means no more worrying about storage costs or managing stock levels. You can focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Instead, you partner with suppliers who handle all the storage and shipping, while you focus on building your brand and driving sales. This partnership allows you to scale your business without the traditional headaches of logistics. First things first, find your niche. This is crucial. Because a well-defined niche helps you stand out in a crowded market. Think about what you're passionate about and where you can add value. What products are you passionate about? What excites you? Your enthusiasm will translate into better marketing and customer engagement. What problems can you solve for your target audience? Understanding their pain points will help you offer solutions that resonate and build a loyal customer base. Once you've got your niche locked down, it's time to find reliable suppliers. This step is critical because your supplier's reliability directly impacts your business reputation. Platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, and worldwide brands connect you with thousands of verified suppliers offering a wide range of products. Take your time to vet these suppliers, read reviews, and maybe even order samples to ensure quality. Next, build your online store. Your website is your storefront, so it needs to be attractive and user-friendly. Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace make it incredibly easy to create a professional-looking website without any coding experience. Choose a platform that suits your needs and budget. Now, for the marketing magic. This is where you bring your store to life and attract customers. Leverage social media, paid advertising, and influencer collaborations to get your products in front of the right people. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are powerful tools for reaching a broad audience. Remember, dropshipping is a marathon, not a sprint. Success won't happen overnight, but with persistence and smart strategies, you'll see growth. Stay consistent, experiment with different marketing strategies, and always be on the lookout for new trends and opportunities. The e-commerce landscape is ever evolving, and staying ahead of the curve can give you a competitive edge. Keep learning, adapting, and pushing forward. Ultimately, dropshipping offers a unique opportunity to achieve location freedom and financial independence. With dedication and the right approach, you can build a thriving business that fits your lifestyle. Handmade crafts. Turn your passion into profits. Finally, let's unleash your inner artist and explore the world of handmade crafts, a fulfilling business where you can turn your passion into profit. Imagine waking up every day, excited to work on something you love and sharing that joy with others. Handmade crafts offer a unique opportunity to blend creativity with entrepreneurship. Whether you're a whiz with a sewing machine, a master potter, or a jewelry making extraordinaire, there's a market for your unique creations. Each piece you create tells a story, and there's a special kind of satisfaction in knowing that your work brings beauty and joy into someone else's life. First things first, identify your niche and target audience. This step is crucial because it helps you focus your efforts and resources on the people who are most likely to appreciate and purchase your work. Think about what makes your crafts unique and who would be most interested in them. What kind of crafts are you most passionate about creating? Is it intricate jewelry, cozy knitted items, or perhaps beautifully crafted pottery? Your passion will shine through in your work, making it more appealing to potential customers. Who would be most interested in buying them? Consider demographics like age, gender, and interests. Are your crafts perfect for young professionals looking for unique home decor, or perhaps for parents seeking handmade toys for their children? Once you've got a clear vision, it's time to source high-quality materials that will make your crafts stand out from the crowd. The quality of your materials can significantly impact the final product, so choose wisely. High-quality materials not only enhance the look and feel of your crafts, but also ensure durability and customer satisfaction. Check out local craft stores, online marketplaces like Etsy, and even consider partnering with other artisans to source unique and sustainable materials. Collaborating with other artisans can also open up new opportunities for learning and growth, and you might find inspiration in their work. Now for the fun part, setting up your online shop. This is where you get to showcase your creations to the world. An online shop allows you to reach a global audience, giving you the potential to grow your business far beyond your local community. Etsy is a natural choice for handmade goods, but don't be afraid to explore other platforms like Shopify, Amazon Handmade, or even your own website. Each platform has its own set of features and audience, so take the time to research and choose the one that best fits your needs. Showcase your creations with stunning photography, write compelling product descriptions that highlight their unique qualities, and price them competitively to attract buyers. Good photography can make a huge difference in how your products are perceived, so invest in a decent camera or hire a professional photographer if possible. Remember, building a successful handmade craft business takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of heart. There will be challenges along the way, but your passion and perseverance will see you through. Keep refining your skills, learning from your experiences, and staying true to your creative vision. Stay true to your vision, engage with your customers, and never stop creating. Customer feedback is invaluable, so listen to what they have to say and use it to improve your products and services. Building a loyal customer base takes time, but with patience and dedication, your handmade craft business can thrive. There you have it, folks. 4 killer reselling business ideas to ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Remember, the key to success is taking action. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it'll never come. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. And hey, when you're ready to level up your business and make it official, check out Bizee for all your LLC and EIN needs. They make the process seamless and affordable, so you can focus on what really matters: building your empire. The future is yours for the taking, so get out there and crush it. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of this business, hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for even more tips, strategies, and inspiration. Let's make those dreams a reality, one hustle at a time.